What's going on? So I'm back with another one, man. This one gonna be dope as hell. So I went to Cabo. For those who don't know, that's in Mexico. So the flight was kind of long. I think it was about like 6 hours and whatnot. And when we landed there, it was pretty cool because once you leave out of the airport, you see cows and all kind of cattle and stuff like right there on the property. It was dope as hell. And driving out there, obviously, if you could picture it, it's really like, deserted, looking, type of scenery and stuff like that. The resort I stayed at was the most beautiful resort I ever stayed in. Well, one of the most beautiful resorts. I don't want to give the crown to that, but it definitely was one of the most beautiful resorts I ever stayed on. I stayed on an all-inclusive resort. It actually was a surprise. My girl booked it. She booked the ocean view room. It was dope, man. They had the infinity pool there on the property. It looked real beautiful. While we were there, we went on a tour. It's basically camel riding, but they do other things before they put you on the camels, just to make the experience a little better. So they take you to this location. It's a decent drive. It's not too far. And when you get there, basically they greet you with a parrot, and you get a chance to take a picture with this parrot and stuff like that. Then they take you to another area where they give you a lesson and basic history lesson on chocolate and how it was made back in the day, and how they transformed into the chocolate that you enjoy now. And basically one of the things I remember is them explaining that Mexico doesn't like Spain. I guess because they were the ones who conquered a lot of the countries out there. The Spanish countries, a lot of those countries don't like Spain. I remember the guy just basically saying that. After that, we also went and they take you to another area where you do tequila tasting, and you get to eat and stuff like that. And it was pretty cool, man. You get to taste some Mexican tequila, eat some Mexican food, and it was good. And yeah, man, the last thing is, you get on the ride with the camels. So it was pretty cool. You get to take a picture with one camel. They give you some lessons on camels and the humps and stuff like that, and what regions of the world they're from, and stuff like that. And yeah, you get a chance to get on the camel as a group and ride around the desert. And they got a drone flying around taking video and pictures and stuff like that. It was a real cool experience, man. Yeah, other than that, man, I was just chilling, drinking, eating good food and all of that stuff. And I had a good time, man. Yeah, definitely. If you want to go to Mexico and go to Cabo, check that out. I haven't been to Cancun yet. I might go back to go there. That's another dope area a lot of people go to. But yeah, man, that's basically about it. All right, yeah. Peace. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and enjoy. Also, follow me on Instagram at FlyKing, FLYYYKING. Peace.